Welcome to ABC Spotlight. Come on, kids. Let's learn something new today.
A is for aqua.
Splash, splash. Aqua is cool and blue. B is for blue. Blue is calm and bright. C is for cyan. Cyan is fresh and cool. D is for dark green. Strong and natural.
E is for emerald. Shiny and bright.
F is for fuchsia. Bright and fun. G is for green. Splash, splash. Green is fresh and cool. H is for hot pink. Splash, splash. Hot pink is sweet and cool. I is for indigo. Splash, splash. Indigo is deep and cool. J is for jade. Splash, splash. Jade is shiny and cool. K is for khaki. Splash, splash. Khaki is soft and cool. L is for lime. Splash, splash. Lime is fresh and cool. M is for magenta. Splash, splash. Magenta is bright and cool. N is for navy blue. Splash, splash. Navy blue is calm and cool. O is for orange. Splash, splash. Orange is bright and cool. P is for purple. Splash, splash. Purple is royal and cool. Q is for quartz. Splash, splash. Quartz is shiny and cool. R is for red. Splash, splash. Red is bold and cool. S is for sky blue. Splash, splash. Sky blue is soft and cool. T is for teal. Splash, splash. Teal is calm and cool. U is for ultramarine. Splash, splash. Ultramarine is deep and cool. V is for violet. Splash, splash. Violet is lovely and cool. W is for white. Splash, splash. White is clean and cool. X is for extra yellow. Splash, splash. Yellow is bright and cool. Y is for yellow. Yellow is happy and cool. Z is for zesty orange. Splash, splash. Orange is fun and cool.
Thank you for watching. If you had fun, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon. See you again on ABC Spotlight.